The NutriBullet Juicer Pro NBJ50200 stands out with its powerful 1000-watt motor, ensuring that even the toughest fruits and vegetables are juiced effortlessly. Featuring 3 precision speeds, this juicer allows you to extract maximum nutrients from every ingredient, with a no-drip spout preventing any mess. Its generous 27-ounce sealing pitcher lets you store fresh juice for up to 48 hours, which is perfect for busy individuals who need a quick, healthy, grab-and-go option. The 3-inch wide feed chute, accompanied by dual-size food pushers, makes it convenient to process fruits and vegetables of varying sizes without the need for pre-cutting. Equipped with handy accessories like freezer trays and to-go glass bottles, this juicer is designed to streamline your juice preparation and storage routine. The NutriBullet Juicer Pro is user-friendly with easy-to-clean components, as the sieve, pulp basin, juice pitcher, and other parts are all dishwasher-safe.